I'm your host for today, Mithri Dattani, and our guest for today is Dipti Agrawal. She's an third year IT student. She has cracked the internship at Salesforce worth of stipend rupees 1.5 lakh.
In non-technical interview they generally ask soft skills like situational और behavioral question पूछा जाता है. ऐसे क्वेश्चन को स्टारल मेथड यूज करके एक्सप्लेन करना होता है विच प्रोवाइड सिक्वेंशियल आंसर्स. पर्टिकुलरली अगर यूट्यूब की बात कर रहे हैं तो यू कैन फॉलो स्टाइलर शीट्स और कोड स्टोरी विथ माइक आदित्य वर्मा स्पेशली फॉर डीपी. यू कैन फॉलो लीड कोड.
Rejections were also obviously going to come along, and everyone will have to face them.
सिस्टम डिजाइन इज वन थिंग जो कॉलेज हमें पढ़ाता नहीं है, हमें खुद से पढ़ना चाहिए.
Welcome to another episode of Student Spotlight hosted by BJC Eastern. I'm your host for today, Mithri Dattani, second year IT student, and our guest for today is Dipti Agrawal. Welcome Dipti. She's an third year IT student and she has cracked the internship at Salesforce worth of stipend rupees 1.5 lakh. Many congratulations for that. And please can you introduce yourself?
Thank you, Mithri. As you said previously, I am currently in my third year of pursuing BTech in Information Technology from DJ Sangvi College. During my academic journey, I had developed interest in machine learning and artificial intelligence. I am working on several projects in this domain. Apart from this, I like to be part of mentorship and scholarship programs like V program, which is supported by Google and offered by Talent Sprint, Future Force, Codes Cafe, etc. I am glad to be here to share my experience on internship.
We are happy to have you here. Let's start from the very beginning. What sparked your interest in coding and how did you begin on this journey?
So during my 12th standard, I had chosen computer science as my bifocal subject. But due to pandemic, we had very limited lectures. So they taught us about OS and web development, but I couldn't able to explore it more because my main focus was on my entrance exam. So after completion of my 12th standard, I explored this domain and got to know about AI, ML, machine learning, web development. So my eagerness and curiosity has sparked my interest in tech and coding.
That's great. Moving on further, how do you research about the internship that will come across your way? Because many students have the talent, but because of the lack of networking or reaching out to the right people at the right time, they lag behind. So what was your approach?
So I started searching for internship during my second year, but I didn't actively started searching for internship directly because it was too difficult for a student to directly grab an opportunity for internship or interview off campus, right? So many big tech companies like Google, DE Shaw, LinkedIn offers opportunities and have some mentorship and scholarship program mainly for first and second year female students, in which they not only teach us how to be a strong candidate but also help you to shape your career and gives us opportunity for interview. My very first approach was to apply for such programs in my first and second year, and the thing motivated me is the people who are part of such program. Like they come from different part of India, share their journey and experience, which is truly motivating for me. Yeah.
As you mentioned about the various programs, there are many programs that promote women in tech today. Can you elaborate on more such programs that you have been a part of and that you are aware of?
So there are a lot of programs. In first year, there is a program known as V program that I am part of, which is supported by Google and offered by Talent Sprint. It is mainly for female students. They select about 200 female students all over India and also offer them with 1 lakh scholarship. The another program which is for second year female student, that is LinkedIn coaching and DE Shaw. From third year, we will start getting internship from different companies like Salesforce, LinkedIn, Amazon, Microsoft, and many more.
Okay. Now, how do you prepare for the internship? Can you walk us through the process? right from the start. When do you start researching about the internship? How do you start preparing for a particular company? The internship process and application also varies depending on the company.
Yes. The process was I applied through the application, and there was one online assessment and 2 coding round. So the application started mid of April, in which they asked general question about your resume, your year of graduation, and which college you are in. So after applying at first week of June, you will receive an HackerRank link. So I had received a HackerRank link in which I have to complete 90. I have to complete 3 coding questions in 90 minutes. I had solved 2.5 out of 3. After completing HackerRank test, I had scheduled my interview at 15th of May, in which I had 2 interviewers. We started with basic introduction. We discussed about OOPS, operating system, data structure and algorithm, the project I have made, and all those stuff. So later he gave me 2 coding questions. Like one is to print the matrix in spiral format, and one is to rotate the matrix in 90 degree. So I coded them out, figure out the time and space complexity. After that, whoever cleared this interview was later called for 3 days sponsored event at Salesforce. So it was an amazing event. Like we networked with a recruiter at Salesforce, and we got to learn about Salesforce so much. And at the 3rd day, we had offline interview with one of the HR of Salesforce. So he asked me questions about my resume mainly, and some behavior and situational questions. So after 4 to 5 days, I got the selection mail.
That's great. Again, huge congratulations. As you mentioned resume, how important is this resume? Because सब लोग सब जगह फिर same ही resume चिपकाते हैं. So depending on the company, is it important to personalize your resume, and what are the projects to include?
सबका अलग अलग फॉर्मेट होता है रेज्यूमे का. मेरा पर्टिकुलरली ऐसा फॉर्मेट है कि मैं अपना नाम, मेरा नंबर एंड ऑल दोज कोडिंग प्रोफाइल्स एंड मेरा गिटहब लिंक, माय लिंक्डइन, सब कुछ मैं एट द टॉप में डालती हूँ. देन कम्स माय स्किल्स, इन विच आई मेंशन टेक्निकल एंड नॉन टेक्निकल स्किल्स. और नॉन टेक्निकल स्किल्स में ज़रूरी नहीं कि सभी स्किल डाल दो जो आपको पता है. लाइक इतने ही स्किल्स डालो कि आप उसे एक्सप्लेन कर पाओ. लाइक आप लीडरशिप स्किल डाल रहे हो तो आप एक्सप्लेन कर पाओ क्यों लीडरशिप स्किल मेरे में है. एंड प्रोजेक्ट भी डाल रहे हो तो जॉब स्पेसिफिक डालो. अपना रेज्यूमे जॉब के हिसाब से चेंज करते रहो. फिर अपना अचीवमेंट्स भी डाल सकते हो, एंड देन हैकेथॉन भी डाल सकते हो. और जब आप हैकेथॉन डाल रहे हो तो ट्राई टू मेंशन नंबर्स. लाइक इफ़ यू आर in top 5, try to mention top 5 out of how many applicant or how many team. तो वो बहुत अच्छा इंप्रेशन डालता है जब एक रिक्रूटर आपका रिज्यूमे देखता है.
Rightly said. Apart from the technical side of preparation, soft skills are equally important. So how did you work on that? Because interview round is the most important round that you need to clear.
Yes, so I particularly struggled at soft skills. So I used to communicate a lot, and technical interview they generally ask soft skills like situational और behavioral question पूछा जाता है. तो मैं पहले से ही कंपनी के बारे में रिसर्च करती थी, एंड आई गेट टू नो अबाउट देयर क्वेश्चंस कि क्या क्या टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. और कभी भी ऐसे क्वेश्चन को स्टारल मेथड यूज करके एक्सप्लेन करना होता है, विच प्रोवाइड ए सिक्वेंशियल आंसर्स. तो अप्रोच से लाइक मैंने अपना सॉफ्ट स्किल इम्प्रूव किया.
Right. And apart from the preparation part, college के साथ साथ how difficult was it to balance your academics as well as your preparation?
So I am an average student if we are talking about coursework, and I try to give equal priority to my coursework and extracurricular activities. तो एग्ज़ाम के एक वीक पहले मैं प्रिपेयर करती थी एकेडमिक एग्ज़ाम के लिए, एंड बाकी के सेमेस्टर में आई ट्राई टू कंट्रीब्यूट माय टाइम इन प्रोजेक्ट्स, डूइंग DSA consistently, in hackathons, etc. So I don't have any strict routine for that, but I do have a priority list based on the deadlines. और कॉलेज भी कॉलेज भी फ्लेक्सिबल है कि वो हमें अटेंडेंस दे देता है ये सब के लिए.
As you mentioned about deadlines, following a strict deadline बहुत difficult हो जाता है. Everything is always last minute. While applying for the internships, what other companies did you apply for elsewhere?
So I had applied in 4 to 5 companies, and out of which I got interview call from Google twice in my second and third year, and in Intuit and Salesforce in my third year. So Google was my dream company in my second year.
Everyone's dream company.
Yeah. तो लाइक आई वॉजन मच प्रिपेयर, सो मेरे से इंटरव्यू क्लियर नहीं हुआ था. बट जो रिक्रूटर थी उसने मुझे कॉल किया था एंड उसने बताया था कि लाइक what is my weaker point, so I improved on that, and it helped me further at my Salesforce interview to perform better.
Right, rejections are also obviously
Yeah.
going to come along,
हाँ.
and everyone will have to face
Like,
them.
rejection के लिए I particularly have a note in which I mention the opportunity or what all the takeaway and जो भी learning है मेरा, so it helps me to keep motivated and learning के लिए भी help करता है.
Agreed. Now, what are the top 3 advices you would give to a student applying for an internship?
Okay, so DSA is very important. Be consistent with it. And
Sorry to break you, but DSA is a very critical subject. जिसको पसंद आता है फिर वो फोड़ लेता है इसमें, and जिसको नहीं आता फिर वो नहीं करता है. So how to deal with that and strategize DSA?
DSA like सबको करना ही पड़ता है. If you are not interested in DSA, कुछ अदर अप्रोच आप फॉलो कर सकते हो. लाइक हैकेथॉन में जाके आप कनेक्शन बना के इंटर्नशिप गेन कर सकते हो, या फिर
What advice would you give to the upcoming students who are trying to reach out and apply for internships?
so advice is do DSA consistently, be thorough with your CS fundamentals, like do OOPS, OS. OOPS and OS is must, and DBMS along with SQL, computer networks are the optional subject, but it is a plus point if you know that. And other than this, make your resume. Like if you are अगर आप प्रोजेक्ट डाल रहे हो तो प्रोजेक्ट के साथ उसका लाइव लिंक भी डाल दो. अगर लाइव लिंक नहीं है, प्रोजेक्ट डिप्लॉयड नहीं है, तो आप गिटहब लिंक भी डाल सकते हो. तो इट हेल्प्स द रिक्रूटर टू डायरेक्टली सी योर वर्क. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, हर एक डोमेन में एक प्रोजेक्ट बना के रखो. सो उस हिसाब से आपको रेज्यूमे चेंज करने के लिए भी हेल्प होगा, एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज उतनी ज़्यादा मिल सकती है.
Rightly said. Apart from the internship perspective, how do you balance your coursework studies? Like all the subjects are not important, obviously, which you are studying. तो वो balance out कैसे करने का? And do you think the college curriculum is satisfactory enough, or you need to seek outsource resources?
I think the second year IT syllabus is quite enough for CS fundamentals. Like they cover almost all the topics, but हमें खुद से भी थोड़ा research करने की ज़रूरत है. Like is quite enough for CS fundamentals. Like they cover almost all the topics, but हमें खुद से भी थोड़ा research करने की ज़रूरत है. Like real life application of that particular topic, and other than this, system design is one thing जो कॉलेज हमें पढ़ाता नहीं है, हमें खुद से पढ़ना चाहिए. And DSA सब थियोरेटिकल चीज़ें पढ़ाई जाती है कॉलेज में, तो वो हमें लाइक खुद से एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए. हाँ, खुद से एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए. और आपको यूट्यूब पे भी बहुत सारे लेक्चर्स वगैरह मिल जाएंगे. पर्टिकुलरली अगर यूट्यूब की बात कर रहे हैं तो यू कैन फॉलो स्टाइवर शीट्स और कोड स्टोरी विथ माइक, आदित्य वर्मा स्पेशली फॉर DP, or you can follow LeetCode.
Okay, that is right. That is a great point. Apart from practicing daily, networking is very important. How do you think students today can network and reach out to more audience?
So networking के लिए like LinkedIn is the best option, or we can participate in hackathon and get good connection over there too. So if you want a referral or something, you can cold mail to the recruiter. So for my internship, I didn't have any referral, or I didn't rely on any personal networks.
बट देर आर सम कमिटीज जो हेल्प करती है अपॉर्चुनिटी गेन करने के लिए. तो लाइक नेटवर्किंग हेल्प करता है in order to secure an interview call, but it depends on you कि आप कैसे
Eventually,
perform
how
कर
do
रहे
you
हो.
perform? Yes. ये सब technical side of yours, but apart from all of this, what do you do in your free time and what are your hobbies?
So like I like to paint and travel a lot.
Has that helped you somehow to in your maintaining your focus and improving your skills?
Yes, like sometimes जब भी मैं बोर हो जाती हूँ तो मैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ कहीं घूमने चली जाती हूँ या पेंटिंग करती हूँ. तो
Right.
yeah,
That it gets you that peace to focus more. Okay. And there are a lot of women today interested towards the technical line. So there are many programs for women in tech. Can you list out for opportunities that the college will provide, or there are opportunities elsewhere?
So there are many off-campus opportunity. Some of them is, as I said, LinkedIn coaching, which select about 80 girls all over India, and it teaches you how to do DSA, and later इंटरव्यू वगैरह वो लेते हैं. एंड सिमिलरली कोडेस कैफे करके कम्युनिटी है जो गर्ल्स को हेल्प करती है अपॉर्चुनिटी फाइंड करने के लिए. एंड वहाँ पर सीनियर्स भी होते हैं. लाइक कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी आ रहा है करेंटली, लाइक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का अपॉर्चुनिटी आ रहा है, तो वो जूम मीटिंग कंडक्ट करते और अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करते, लाइक व्हाट आर थिंग वी कैन डू इन इंटरव्यू, और क्या क्या प्लस पॉइंट हम कर सकते हैं जो हमारे लिए बेनिफिशियल होगा. The other program is from DE Shaw, which select about 120 girls every year. So उसमें भी similar kind of चीज़ें ही होता है. उसमें भी इंटरव्यूज़ को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है. एंड इन थर्ड ईयर ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स तो नहीं है, बट इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ होते हैं एंड हैकेथॉन्स होते हैं जिससे हमें डायरेक्टली इंटरव्यूज़ मिलता है. So there are hackathons from Myntra and Meesho that we can apply, and there is one more hackathon known as Flipkart Grid. So yeah.
Lastly, where do you see yourself going in the future, and what are your dream companies you'd like to apply and work for?
So I see myself leading a team, especially in machine learning domain. And I myself is a part of mentorship and scholarship programs. So I want to give back to this community by sharing my experience and learning journey to the fresher student. And my dream company is, as of now, is Google.
वो तो सबका ही है. Okay, we hope you get into that. And that's it for the episode. Thank you so much for your insights. I hope everyone and all the viewers will learn a lot from